action on count 4 and 8 is a characteristic move of bachata, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to do it. I'm assuming that you already know how to move your hips on counts 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. If not, I made a video where I teach this. It's linked in the description box below where you can find it, and I recommend that you watch that one first and then come back here. So let's start with the basic step, and we're gonna be using the diagonal hip movement. I'll turn around so that it's easier for you to follow me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do it again, but we're gonna stop on 3, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. So now we are in this position when most of our weight is on our right leg, our right knee is bent, our left knee is slightly bent, and our left hip is pointing diagonally to the back, to the side. Now on end count, which is in between the beats count, okay, it sits right in the middle between the 3 and 4, okay, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So on end count, we will move our hips into a neutral position, and we will start bringing our left foot to join the right. So this is end count. On 4, we tap with our left, and we will also bring our left hip directly to the left, to the side, okay? And on end count, which follows the 4th count, we will drop our hip back down, okay? So let me show you again. We are here. This is 3. On end, we will start bringing our hips into a neutral position and also our left foot to join the right. On 4, we tap with our left. We bring our left hip up to the side, directly to the side, not to the back, okay? Directly to the side. And on end, we drop the hip back down. Let's focus on this hip action a little bit. Imagine that there is a wall next to you, which is too hot. So when you touch that wall with your skin, you need to, or you want to go right back down because it's burning your skin. So we want to make this move pretty quick. We want to go up, but immediately back down, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This move doesn't have to be super big, okay? It's not the goal. The goal is not to bring your hip as high as you can, okay? Yes, we want to move our hip, but we want to make it look natural. And we want our upper body to stay in a neutral position, okay? So we don't want to tilt to the side like this in order for our hip to go higher, or in order for us to bring our hip higher, okay? We want to keep our body or our upper body in a neutral position, and also we want to keep our heels together, because sometimes some students have a tendency to rotate their feet like this, okay, and to move their heel to the side because it's helping them to bring their hip higher. But we don't want that, okay? We don't want it to look like this. We want to keep our heels together, keep our upper body in a neutral position, and from here, bring our hip up. Okay? Let's do it one more time with the basic step to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. And again, make sure that your knees are slightly bent, okay? I talked about it in that other video where I'm teaching the hip movement in bachata, 2 main ways. We need to keep our knees slightly bent so that we can move our hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Let's do it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and again 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and again 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do the same thing to the left. On 5, we step with our left. On 6, with our right. On 7, with our left again. So now we are here. Our body weight, or most of our body weight, is on the left leg. The left knee is bent, the right knee is slightly bent, and the right hip is pointing diagonally to the right, to the back. Now on end count, which sits right in the middle between 7 and 8, we are bringing our hips into a neutral position and our right foot to join the left. On 8, we tap with our right and we bring our right hip to the side, directly to the right. And on end, we drop our hip back down. Let's try it one more time. So we are here, this is 7. On end, coming into a neutral position, bringing our feet together. On 8, we tap, bringing our right hip to the side, and on end, we drop the hip. Let's put it together with the basic step. We are going to the left, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and again 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and again 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and again 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put it together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try with music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do the same thing with the figure 8 hip movement. I'm going to turn around and let's do the basic step with the figure 8 hip movement first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do it again to the right, and we're gonna stop on 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And if you watch my previous video where I was teaching how to move your hips in bachata, 2 main ways, you probably remember that I said that on 3 we are sending our right hip diagonally forward and then sending it back and stopping it directly on the right. Okay, so in this case on 3 we are not sending our hip all the way to the back, we're stopping it here directly on the right, and this is making it easier for us to bring our left hip up on 4. Okay, so this is 3. Our right hip is pointing to the side, to the right. On end we are bringing our left foot to join the right, same thing as we did with the diagonal hip movement. Okay, so on end we're bringing our left foot to join the right. On 4 we tap and we bring our left hip up, and on end we drop it back down. Okay, let's try it one more time. 7, 8, and 4, end. And again, 7, 8, and 4, end. Let's put it together with the basic step to the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, end. And again, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, end. Now, of course, when we dance a little bit faster, it's not going to look like this, 3 and 4 and it's going to look more fluid, something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do the same thing to the left. On 5 we step with our left, on 6 with our right, on 7 with our left again. Now our left hip is pointing directly to the side. On end, we're bringing our right foot to join the left. On 8, we tap and we bring our right hip to the side. And on end, we drop it back down. Let's go from here. This is 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8, and. And again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8, and. Now let's put it together with the basic step. Let's go to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. And again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Now let's go a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put it together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try with music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is how you move your hips in bachata on count 4 and 8. In this class, we're combining it with the basic step to the side. If you want to learn some variations of this step, you can watch this video where I will teach you 5 bachata basic step variations.